Welcome back to the channel. Today we're venturing into a sensitive, complex, and highly specialized topic. Knives are designed, marketed, or adapted for personal defense. This is not a topic we enter into lightly. Before we look at a single blade, we must state the critical foundation. A knife is arguably the most personal and dangerous last resort tool for a worst-case scenario where all other options, escape, de-escalation, verbal commands, have utterly failed. The legal ramifications of carrying or using one are severe and vary drastically from city to state to country. Your first and best weapon is your mind. With that essential and non-negotiable disclaimer, let's analytically count down 10 of the most unique knives in the self-defense category that are currently available for purchase on Amazon. Number 10. SOG KeyTron Keychain Knife. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the SOG KeyTron, representing the philosophy of deep concealment. Uniqueness in the defensive tool world isn't always about size or aggression. Sometimes it's about being completely invisible until the precise millisecond it's needed. This knife brilliantly masquerades as a simple, bulky keychain fob, an item no one looks at twice. With a press of your thumb, a 1.8-inch stainless steel blade flicks out from the machined aluminum handle, which features a large functional keyring. It won't win a fight against a longer blade, but is a deeply concealed, last-ditch option that capitalizes on the element of total surprise. The KeyTron is a fascinating study in minimalist defensive EDC. Number 9. ESEE Laser Strike Fixed Blade Knife. This is a no-nonsense, full-tang survival fixed blade built not for discreet city carry, but for guaranteed performance under brutal conditions. Its uniqueness lies in its overbuilt, purpose-driven design for hard use in the field, which translates to a trustworthy defensive tool. The 4.75-inch blade is made from 1095 high-carbon steel, known for its toughness and ease of sharpening in the field, and it features a skeletonized, powder-coated handle that can be wrapped with cord for customization. The textured micarta handle scales provide a supremely secure grip even when wet, muddy, or bloody. It comes with a robust Kydex sheath system that offers multiple mounting options. While its size makes urban concealed carry a significant challenge, its sheer, bomb-proof durability and proven performance in extreme survival situations earn a spot. For the individual who might be in a remote area or who prioritizes a dependable, multi-purpose tool that will never fail under stress, the Laser Strike represents a unique ethos of unwavering readiness. Number 8. Off-Grid Knives Rapid Fire Series. These knives represent a unique segment of the market by blending the familiar, robust lines of traditional workhorse folders like the Barlow with contemporary, performance-oriented tactical features. They often boast cryogenically treated D2 tool steel blades, a steel prize for its excellent edge retention, along with black titanium nitride or other wear-resistant coatings. The assisted opening mechanism, often activated by a flipper tab or thumb stud, provides rapid, one-handed deployment. Their uniqueness lies in offering this hard-use construction, aggressive G10 or aluminum handle texturing for grip, an intimidating aesthetic at a direct-to-consumer price point that undercuts many legacy brands. For someone who wants the heft and feel of a sturdy, reliable EDC folder, but desires the quicker deployment and tactical styling of a modern defensive tool, Off-Grid Knives present a unique and value-packed proposition in the marketplace. Number 7. Ka-Bar Last Ditch Knife. This is a minimalist fixed blade that reduces the concept of a fighting knife to its brutal essence. Its entire design revolves around the unique T-handle grip, which is designed to be clutched in a fist with the double-edged blade protruding between the fingers, parallel to your knuckles. This configuration allows for powerful, short-range punching strikes that utilize the body's natural gross motor skills under extreme duress, requiring minimal technical fencing skill. The last-ditch name is not marketing hyperbole. It's an accurate description of its intended use in extreme proximity where creating distance is impossible. It's small, easily concealed in a pocket or on an ankle, and built by Ka-Bar, a legendary American brand with a century of military heritage. Its uniqueness is its pure, single-minded focus on close-quarters infighting, making it a purpose-specific and historically validated tool in the defensive arsenal. Number 6. CRKT Provoke Kinematic Karambit. This isn't merely a folding knife. It's a kinematic karambit, a feat of engineering where the blade and handle are one dynamic piece. Using a patented kinematic pivot system, the entire knife morphs and transforms as you deploy it, snapping from a compact, geometric carry shape into a forward curved karambit with an integrated finger ring. The action is mesmerizing, smooth, and lightning fast, creating a deployment that is both functionally quick and psychologically startling. Its uniqueness is undeniable and multi-layered. It offers a futuristic, non-traditional deployment method, a supremely secure ring grip that prevents disarming, and an aesthetic that looks like it came from sci-fi film. It stands apart from any traditional liner lock or frame lock folder, representing a bold and innovative approach to folding knife design for defensive preparedness. Number 5. Emerson CQC7. Designed by master bladesmith and martial artist Ernest Emerson for close quarters combat, it pioneered features that are now industry standards. The most famous is the wave opener, a hook machined into the spine of the blade that catches the lip of your pocket as you draw the knife, automatically opening it before it clears the fabric. This created a paradigm shift, enabling lightning-fast, one-handed deployment that was both intuitive and reliable. Combined with its iconic chisel-ground Tonto blade, designed for penetrating hard materials and rugged, textured G10 handles, the CQC7 established a blueprint. Its uniqueness today is historical. It's not just a knife, but the benchmark of the modern tactical folder. Number 4. K-Bar TDI Law Enforcement Knife. Designed by a veteran law enforcement instructor, this fixed blade knife is intended explicitly as a last-chance backup weapon for officers. Its unique, almost 90-degree angle between the handle and blade is the entire genius of the design. This angle allows it to be worn horizontally on the belt, just behind the duty belt or offhand hip. The draw is a natural, gross motor cross-draw motion that closely mimics the muscle memory of drawing a secondary firearm. Under the extreme stress of a hands-on struggle where a primary weapon is compromised, this design allows for a fast, intuitive access and a grip that naturally positions the blade for effective, close-range use. It's a brutally efficient design that sacrifices all pretense of being a general utility tool to excel at its singular, life-saving defensive purpose. Its uniqueness is its evidence-based, ergonomic design tailored for high-stress defensive scenarios. Number 3. Fox Knives Folding Karambit. The karambit itself, with its distinctive hawkbill blade and safety finger ring, is a Southeast Asian design with roots in agricultural utility but refined into a formidable martial arts tool. Fox Knives from Maniago, Italy, produces some of the most exquisitely crafted and purpose-built folding versions on the market. The finger ring isn't just for retention. It allows for fluid manipulation, changing grips, and powerful, drawing cuts that can be deployed with the arm's natural swinging motions. These knives often feature premium steels like N690 Co., Emerson wave openers for instant deployment, and meticulously textured handles. Its uniqueness lies in this marriage of pure, historical martial heritage with modern, high-end Italian cutlery manufacturing. As analysts note, it has almost no useful value as a day-to-day cutting tool, but can, in the context for which it was originally shaped, be a highly specialized and effective close-quarters instrument. Number 2. Spyderco Call. This knife isn't designed for generic self-defense. It is engineered from the ground up around a specific Filipino blade fighting methodology called pikal or pekati. This system utilizes a reverse grip, ice-pick grip, with the edge facing inward, facilitating powerful, short-range tearing or slicing motions aimed at vulnerable limbs. The Pal-S blade has a unique, almost truncated spear point shape with a pronounced curve to facilitate this technique. The handle features a deep finger choil that locks your hand securely in place, and it incorporates a very low-profile wave hook for opening. The Pal-S uniqueness is total and academic. It is a folding knife that serves as a physical blueprint for a specific martial art. It makes no concessions to general utility. For a student of that specific discipline, It's a unique training and carrying tool. For others, it's a fascinating example of how a specific fighting principle can drive every aspect of a knife's design. Number 1. Spyderco Matriarch 2. This knife claims the top spot not for its mechanical complexity or historical significance, but because its entire reason for existence is singular and unique. It is a slightly more accessible iteration of the legendary Spyderco Civilian, a model originally created at the explicit request of a government agency for personnel who had no formal knife training and needed an absolute last-ditch defensive tool. The blade is the uncompromising centerpiece, a large, reverse shape with a dramatic recurve and a sharp, downward-pointed tip, and it is fully serrated with Spyderco's aggressive spider edge. This design has one function: to be used in a frantic, clawing, backward raking motion. The serrations are designed to catch and tear. Spyderco's own documentation is famously candid, stating, "Because of its distinctly specialized features, it is not intended or designed for general utility or everyday use." That pure, unadulterated focus, creating a tool meant to be intuitively effective in a panic scenario with no training, is what makes it uniquely number 1. Available with an Emerson Wave opener, the Matriarch 2 Emerson, it embodies a deploy and rack philosophy. It is the physical manifestation of a worst-case scenario plan, making the Matriarch 2 the most uniquely and chillingly purpose-built knife on this list.